In this video, we're going to explore how the Super User Manager Services block works. The Super User Manager Services block lets you connect your chatbot to your Super User Manager account to manage users, including registration, login, and authentication. It handles everything in the background for you. It verifies user identities, creates new accounts, sends confirmation emails, and stores all user data directly in your Super User Manager interface. This makes it easy to collect, manage, and authenticate users before giving them access to specific services or content. You can use the Super User Manager block with your lead capture forms, as it allows you to collect incoming leads in one central place, fully automatically. It also enables you to grant access to specific resources only to VIP or premium users, and much more. In this tutorial, we'll take things a bit further by giving access to another chatbot, but only for users who already have an account. If a user doesn't have an account, we'll create one for them and have it validated. By using the Super User Manager block in your lead forms, the whole process becomes much simpler. You'll just need to insert template to add a user, which we'll also cover in this tutorial. For example, let's say you want to restrict access to a chatbot that's only available to registered users. First of all, ask your user to log in and connect your chatbot to your Super User Manager account. Then, choose from the available templates to simplify your interaction. In our example, we'll start by asking the user to authenticate. LouiseBot will automatically inject a series of blocks into your flow. Continue your interactions after these blocks. We strongly recommend not modifying the blocks injected by LouiseBot unless you fully understand what you're doing. Now that we understand how to authenticate a user before giving them access to the rest of the conversation, let's take it a step further. We'll remove the basic authentication block and set up a full end-to-end use case. First, check if the user already has an account. If not, register them. Then, ask the user to log in. Finally, if authentication is successful, send them to your private chatbot. This setup allows you to create a seamless, secure, and personalized experience for your users. Let's go step by step. Start by injecting the template that checks if the user exists in your Super User Manager account. If the user exists, the flow will continue in the user exists branch. If not, in the else branch. Ask the user to create an account. You can add a short delay to make the conversation more readable and natural for the user. Now, add the template to register a new user. Here, add a delay too. Anywhere in the flow where the user is successfully authenticated. You can give them access to your private chatbot or continue the conversation to the next step. As you can see, Super User Manager adds some variables containing user information. For example, if you ask the user for their first name, Super User Manager will automatically return it for you. Now, let's handle the case where the user fails to log in. Then, to keep the user in the loop, use a send a text message block. followed by a go-to block to redirect them appropriately. Be sure to manage all other possible cases as well. Now your conversation is fully structured and ready to go. As you can see, LouiseBot automatically injects a sequence of blocks to handle new users. You just need to customize the messages if you wish and continue your scenario at the end of each branch. Let's check the result in the live preview. This user is not registered yet, so the form appears with the required fields to complete their registration. Next, Super User Manager prompts the user to validate their account. Great. We now pass the conversation to the other chatbot, which also receives the user's first name as it was set during registration. To sum up, the Super User Manager Services block allows you to register, identify, and authenticate users inside your chatbot with full integration into your Super User Manager account. It opens the door to building secure, personalized experiences for your users with almost no setup required. With LouiseBot and the Super User Manager block, you can create private chatbots tailored to your user, offer premium chatbot features to subscribers, deploy custom chatbots for business clients, automatically capture leads using integrated forms, and so much more. Try it now and unlock a new level of user management in your LouiseBot flows.